Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can configure various options to resolve the sync issue. In the settings window, you'll notice a left panel with different categories. Click on Cloud from this list. This section controls how Steam handles your cloud saves and synced data across devices. Now look for Enable Steam Cloud, and right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this toggle is turned on. Enabling this feature is crucial because it allows Steam to properly sync your game saves and settings to the cloud, which is essential for fixing the sync error you're experiencing. Next, in that same left panel, click on Storage. This section manages how Steam handles your local game files and storage locations. Once you're in the storage section, click on the three dotted lines icon. From the menu that appears, click Repair Library. This tool scans your game files and fixes any corrupted or missing data that might be causing the cloud sync error. The repair process might take a minute or two depending on the size of your library, so just wait while Steam checks everything. Now in the left panel again, click on Downloads. This section is important because sometimes sync errors are actually caused by connection or download issues rather than cloud settings themselves. Look for Download Region, and right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the region nearest to you from the list. Choosing a closer server can significantly improve your connection stability and help resolve sync conflicts. Still inside the Download section, scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be interfering with Steam's ability to communicate properly with the cloud servers. When you click it, Steam will confirm the action and then restart automatically to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Steam Cloud Sync error by enabling Cloud Sync, repairing your library, adjusting your download region, and clearing your cache. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.